Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's John Tucker with what's moving on a Monday.
All right, let's go a few blocks downtown to the headquarters of Pfizer. New York-based Pfizer going to pay $4.9 billion for an obesity startup. The name of this company, Metsera, it is publicly traded. Pfizer trying to catch up. As we all know, they've had difficult times trying to compete with its weight loss medication. So they're going to buy Metsera for $47.50 in cash. This is per share. And then, to complicate things, they're going to have further payments of up to $22.50 per share if three specific and regulatory milestones are met. So it's a total potential value of this deal of $7.3 billion. And it represents a 43% premium to Metsera's closing price. That was on Friday. Pfizer's in the process of rebuilding in the aftermath of the pandemic. You had demand dropping off for vaccines and the pill for COVID and some of the company's key drugs coming to the end of their patent life. So why not make an acquisition?
No, very cool. It's a little company out of New York City, but Sir Stephen Bloom out of Imperial College is the medical force behind it. He's just absolutely definitive in endocrinology. It's just, I don't know if he makes $1 or $10 or $100, but Sir Stephen owns the high ground on what's called peptide research.
And Metsera is developing a shot which you would need only once a month, so it's less frequent.
Once a month.
Less frequent than Novo Nordisk
Next,
and
what do you
Eli
got?
Lilly's. White House official says Oracle could recreate and provide security for a new U.S. version of TikTok's algorithm. This comes under a deal that's taking shape right now to sell TikTok to a consortium of American investors. The arrangement seeks to ensure that American buyers control TikTok's recommendation software in the U.S. Following a divestiture by ByteDance, the Chinese parent. Now, owners of the U.S.-based TikTok would lease a copy of the algorithm from ByteDance that Oracle would then retrain from the ground up. Data from U.S. users would be stored in a secure cloud managed by Oracle with controls established to keep out foreign adversaries, including China. So this is actually a key part of what legislators wanted with respect to Oracle.
Shares of Oracle up 85% this year. Wow.
Thank you for recommending that.
And that's not the only news. They promoted a couple of executives this morning. I'm going to massacre these names, but Clay McGork and Mike Celia will be the joint chief executive officers replacing Safra Katz.
Do you have one more quick?
Real quick.
Lisa would have one more.
Yeah, Justice Department gets a second chance to force a breakup of Google today. They're heading to court before the Virginia federal judge who ruled the search giant illegally monopolized advertising technology markets. You're talking about the advertising exchange AdX. So we'll see. I mean, Google, they've been pretty fortunate in terms of like the remedies, but we'll see what happens today in Virginia federal court.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.